This is what they could do for the rest of the afternoon, which is queen of the loose feather. See, they all want the feather. Big lady's got it. Big lady. And Sacagawea, who's no longer Sacagawea, is trying to get the feather. They're already onto other things. New sprouts, new flies. Look, that's chasing a little fly around, a little gnat or something. Yeah, go get the feather. Yeah, there they go. You can do the feather thing. Nope, oh, yep, snake through. Yeah, play with the feather. Play with the feather. And, oh, no, oh, big red, oh. Right back at it. This lady. Find the sprouts. Eat the sprouts right there. Just walked right over it. There's sprouts all over. See those white sprouts? Eat the sprouts, girl. Protein, baby. Get those sprouts. Yeah. Find some. All of it's yours. Goldie Hawn. Yeah, eat the flower. Play with the flower. And still doing the little feather game. Goldie Hawn's back at the bowl. The ration bowl. And doing the perimeter check for oh, whoa, you're like mounted on the side of that rock. Yeah, get some water. Hey, get up in there. Look at that one leg. Doing a calf stretch. Oh. Feather game's over, I guess, for now. We got a winner. Go with the sprouts, girl. What are you doing? Yeah. Get a little millet. Yeah, get it. There you go. Scratch it. There you go. Find something else in there. You're gorgeous, aren't you? Look at your little white and black head. Chicken narration. Uh-oh. Big lady's going for the water. Protecting the feather, I think. Maybe those two found a feather over there. Playing.